Now over in Westmoreland, a man is seeking justice for his son who was allegedly beaten by policemen while in lockup on Friday. The incident, which was captured on camera, has since gone viral on social media. Kimberly Petty reports.
A father crying out desperately after his son, 23-year-old Jamar Darling, is seen in this video being pulled and allegedly being beaten by police officers. His father, Jerome Darling, explained he was locked up by the lawmen during a traffic stop. He said he went to the Savannah Lamar police station hoping Jamar would be granted station bail, but what transpired has left him traumatized.
My son said to me, say, I disorder the conduct, you charge me for. And me no do nothing more than stop me. I want to search my phone. And I tell him something, nah, make no go in on my phone because I have my personal stuff in on my phone and my private stuff in on my phone. Well, when him started to talk about him bail, them say them are carry him around at the cell. And from them move to him to start pull off the handcuff. A police officer have him and around his neck.
He went further.
Then a policeman in the white walk and come around and turn off the light and then started to beat him. Another policeman where they run at the back of the station come and held him foot and start dry him out. So them dry him out on the back.
Mr. Darling said it's not the first time the police have detained his son.
He have a lot of pain. His back hurt him, his neck hurt him, swellings in his face, his forehead, his foot, his hand, his eyes swell up. It's traumatizing when you see it. If you know say your own youth and you never like your youth so. And police beat your youth so. And one police and two police and three police and four police. Police just come and beat him so. For a reason.
He believes that the situation could have been handled in a more professional manner and has since reported the incident to Indicom.
There's something going on in Westmoreland with these young police officers. Well, all me ask now is justice, and me ask the commissioner of police to intervene with his own investigator, and me ask the Prime Minister of Jamaica to look through Westmoreland Parish. It's a parish where we can love you, but you have to love her first because we give you the head for run the country. We give Mr. Andrew Wallace the head for run the country. But we not get no attention, Prime Minister. We not get no attention, Commissioner.
Our news team contacted Commanding Officer for the Westmoreland Police Division, SSP Othniel Dobson, for a comment, but calls to his phone went unanswered. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.